Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marathe and today we are discuss about methods in Java. How many types of method and how this works. So we will discuss about that. So uh, in Java, method is also a block of codes that are performed to a specific task, and method are used to organize code into a reasonable blocks, and they are making the program easier to read and understand to maintain their method declarations. Okay, so now we discuss about how many types of method and which are the and what is their specification. So first is access modifier. So access modifier they determines the visibility of the method, and Java provides four access modifiers that are public, protected, private, and default. That means no modifier. Okay, so the next is return type. So it is specify that it specify the type of value that the method are returns, and if the method are doesn't return any value, so the return type is void. So the next is what is method name. So it is the name of the method which is used to call the methods. Then next is parameter. So uh, these are the variables that are passed to the methods, and their optional parameters are enclosed in the parentheses, and they are separated by the commas. So what is the method body? So it contains the statement that define what is method does, and the method body is enclosed in the curly braces. So as we discussed, for example, we write a Java code, published public int data, public int add int, and then we can type the return. Okay, so the next is how many types of method. So first is static method. So this method are belong to the class rather than any specific instance. They can be called without the creating an instance of the class uh, in the Java code. Okay, so the next is instance method. So this method are belong to the instance of the class, and they are access instance variables, and the other instance method are directly. The next is what is method overloading. So method overloading allow a class to have multiple methods with the same name but the different parameters. So we can discuss about what is method parameters. Okay, so parameters are variables that are specified in the methods declarations, and they are used to pass the data of methods. Java support passing parameter by the values. Then the next is method return type. In that a method may return a value using the return statements, and this method doesn't return any value. They return and its return type is void. So in that recursion. So what is recursion? So recursion is a technique where the method calls itself to solve the smaller instance of the same problems. The next is access modifier. So access modifier control the accessibility of the methods, and there are four access modifiers that are public, protected, private, and default. So what method in method overriding allow to subclass to provide a specific implementations of the methods, and that is already provided by the superclass. Then the next is final method. So the final method cannot be overridden by the subclasses. And in abstract method, so abstract method are declared without an implementations and are intended to be implemented by the subclasses. Then the next is synchronized method. So synchronized method that are ensure that only one threads can execute the method at the time. They are preventing concurrent access to share the resources. And the next is native method. So native method are method that are implemented in a language other than Java, such as C or C++, and they are called using the native keyword. Then the lambda expression. So lambda expression allows creation of the anonymous methods in Java. Then the next is varx. So whereas that means variable length arguments, that they are allowed to method to accept a variable number of the arguments. Then the next is method references. In that, method references provide a way to refer to the method of constructor without invoking them. So this all are the information about the methods in Java. So thank you.